every day, every day, every day, every day.
David Ricardo was born in London, England, on April 18, 1772. He was the third of 17 children. His father, Abraham, was a successful stockbroker in his time. David began to show his talent in the world of economics when he helped do his father's work when he was 14 years old. At the age of 21, he married a woman named Priscilla Ann Wilkinson and had 8 children. David became increasingly interested in studying economics after reading Adam Smith's works, such as The Wealth of Nations, and decided to study economics and write various articles about economic analysis today. Several years of retirement from stockbroking, David decided to join the British House of Commons in August 1818 and represent the borough of Portarlington. After 10 years of retirement, Ricardo died of septicemia. He died on September 11, 1823 at the age of 51 years. Ricardo left behind several economic thoughts that had a big influence. Some of Ricardo's thoughts are the theory of comparative advantage. Ricardo once opposed the idea that trade was only aimed at collecting gold and silver. Ricardo finally stated that a country must focus its economic activities on various industries that are designed to be superior and most competitive international. Apart from that, Ricardo also advised a country to carry out trade activities with other countries to obtain goods that are not produced nationally. Although opposed by many experts, Ricardo's theory is still used as a basis for ideas to support international trade. One of Ricardo's famous works is Principles of Political Economy and Taxation, written in 1817. Ricardo expressed his thoughts on the theory of labor value, which explains: first, there are equal wage and profit levels between the two sectors. Second, capital used for production consists of wages only. Third, the production period is the same for all objects and goods. Ricardo's other thoughts that are well known are his criticism of protectionism in the agricultural sector, ideas about free trade, economists who played a major role in developing the theory of rent, wages, profits, and the Ricardian equivalence.
Every day, every day, every day, every day.